Are you familiar with the announced when works is grow small count doesn't seem to produce results? If you try variety of techniques and have achieved real outcomes, this video is just what it needs. I reveal the tactic that turned my situation around and could do the same for you. So let's start with this, guys. I've got a special treat for you. Stay tuned to the end of the video and it will be blown away. So let's start with this, guys. Today we're gonna use 1 minute and classic candles. Okay, indicators, only moving average and stochastic oscillators, guys. That's very simple. For the first line, we're gonna use 5 simple movements. I will add that green. For the second one, we're gonna use 8 on period simple movement as the same for the previous one in color white. 13, 2, 2 and super movements for this one. And the color, guys, that's up to you. If you want to use the same that I'm using, that's yellow, blue ocean, green, red. All right, we're gonna start with $59, 1 in middle on expiration time, and we're gonna start the first operation with 25. So let's try. All right, guys, want to remind you that for all peoples, those who are interested, the platform exists for box option link is in the description of the video. All right. So guys, in this strategy today, I pay the main attention to the line of stochastic oscillator. That's first of all, okay, and with the direction they're moving, that's up or down. But I take into account the fact that these lines must cross with each other and then move in a specific direction together. Also, the green line and the white line of both moving averages should be crosses within, like is the MACD, okay. The third factor, that's the strength of the signals with that. That's an upward, so that's the strength to the up, that's upward trend. And this factor is not so necessary, but that's good. But if there is an upward trend, when up to set position, it's a great one. We got our first one for $8.82 in the total, guys. Bear in mind, this is just one of the strategies that can transform your experience in this market. To achieve a professional level, master the most profitable strategy is essential, guys. I prepared 2 exclusive pieces of the content, so stay with me until the end of the video and enjoy it. Alright? So let's go to the next one, man, and let's try to make a lot of profit with this one. Alright, guys, look at that. We just got, I think that's another good moment that we have here. As you can see, I opened the position as an uptrend again, guys.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Again, I look at the stochastic oscillator, line crossing with each other and going up. That's very good. And that is a very good signal, but I don't limit myself to this indicator and also look at the green and white line of the movement average. Remember that. Alright, that is can be along together. Which also cross parallel line of this stochastic oscillator is the same movement as I said in the previous operation. And these are very good signals, guys. Alright. So I don't have a downward trend until to the second one, but I tried and then find a good one to show for you. Alright, and look at this, guys. We got a win again, $47, almost $105 in the total. That's just pretty good one, man. Second doing. Okay, and look at that, guys. As I promised the previous one, I didn't find a good downtrend for you. Okay, as you can see. You see, that's the same situation. The line for both indicators cross each other. Stochastic oscillator, moving average. Personally, I would say this method is a little bit risk situation after this method, since the specific trend here is more and more down. But here I only trust the indicators. I also like the condition of the candles. As you can see, we got to revert. The candle just started to go up, hit the highest point and started to go down right now. You can see two already big candles were made in the up and downward direction. Okay, I think there will be one more red candle for the next one, following the downtrend. The direction of the candle will go down. I think so, as you can see. Okay, we got another one. $85, man, 144. That's just the third win. And let's go to the next. Okay, guys, we have another cool moment for that. And I want to tell that is the best situation that I take so far of this medal, right? Of course, first of all, yeah, as you know, I observe the stochastic oscillator, which gives me an excellent signal. And the lines on the moving average just cross each other. Here we have two more manufacturers. First, remember that we have our clear downtrend and then start to go up again. All right.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
That's a huge one. That's a downtrend and an uptrend. That's great. And the other that's a strong buying as a green candle. Okay. This main, that's next. Few candles with indicator signals. We most likely be green and keep going up. And that's it, guys. This is out of the trade. And that's good. $186, guys. $59 to $186. As I told you, you can see that green candles, it continued to moving up. I really like this metal, the simplicity and thus for thickness. And also notice that I pay a lot of attention in both indicators, guys. And that's this. I just hope that you enjoyed the video and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the videos. Alright. I wish you good profit, guys. Good operations. Have a good one. Be safe. And want to say goodbye for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.